to our channel, where we'll show you how to lose weight with a series of effective exercises that you can do at home. We know how challenging it can be to find the time and motivation to hit the gym, but with our step-by-step guides, you can work towards your weight loss goals from the comfort of your own home. We'll show you a variety of exercises that target all parts of your body, from cardio to strength training. So let's get started and work towards a healthier, fitter you. Jumping jacks. Start standing with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Land with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms back at your sides. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Burpees. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back up to your hands. Stand up and jump, raising your arms above your head. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. High knees. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart and arms at your sides. Lift one knee up towards your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee. Alternate knees as quickly as possible while running in place. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body straight. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee. Alternate knees as quickly as possible, as if you are climbing a mountain. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Squat jumps. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat, keeping your back straight and your weight in your heels. Jump up explosively, reaching your arms above your head. Land softly and lower back into a squat. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Tips for weight loss exercises at home. Combine cardiovascular exercises with resistance exercises for optimal weight loss. Use body weight exercises, resistance bands, or dumbbells to increase the resistance of your workouts. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, 5 to 6 days per week. Increase the intensity and duration of your workouts gradually over time. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with healthy foods. Don't forget subscribing to our channel. You never miss an update and be part of our amazing community. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get started on this awesome journey together.